Teabag. I'm scary.
Blue Air and their wonderful Vapory fan, as they call it. Makes it beep. Makes it say UFN. You just spill water all over the floor. That's all from the fridge. Let me show you how to fix this. First thing you want to do is cut this wire right here. Attach it to any 3-wire computer fan. As long as it's got those 3 wires, you're good. Doesn't have to be their little fan that they sell for $100 or whatever. Then plug it in right there and just set it there and let it sit there. It'll appease the control board with its little RPM signal and it'll shut up about the UFN. Now what about the water situation? Well, the first thing you want to do is get rid of this stupid plastic pan. Get yourself a real heated drain pan like this. Attach a random piece of metal to it like this. Yeah, attach it to the bottom of the fridge below the drain. Here's the drain. Water just drip into this thing instead of that waste of time. Then you just tap into the main power with an extension cord. Run it down the back to power the new heated pan. I won't have any more problems and that stupid little fan can stop making it beep at us.